I just share with you a story of a merchant. I told you many times, this is a story of a merchant. A merchant was very much poor. When he was sitting in his shop, he realized that customers will come. And during the waiting, no any customer came. But his old friend came and said that I'm going to a saint and I want to ask him about my problems. Merchant said, okay, I will go with you. And merchant started to walk with him. They both reached near to the saint. They saw that many people were present there. They were telling him about their problems. When the turn of merchant came, he went to the saint and said that, dear saint, I'm poor. I have a shop, but no any customer comes to me. Saint advised him, three things you should remember in your life. That if any customer comes in your shop, you should allow him to take anything, whatever he wants to. Number two, don't speak lie. Whatever the price of the good is, you should sell it. And number third, never increase price if the market price always increases. You have to keep it constant. He went back. He started same thing. Next day, a customer came. He said to him, take whatever you want. Customer took a thing and he told him the same price, whatever he bought. So next day, in that way, customer started to come in his shop. Day by day, his profession increased. In one day, he saw that there were large number of customers present in his shop. Even there was increase in price of the good in the market, but he refused to increase. A customer came and started complaining for him that this shopkeeper is very much honest and he doesn't take much price as compared to other shopkeepers. So his name and fame increased. His profession also increased and he earned a lot of money. He bought a wristwatch, a golden wristwatch. One day he was thinking about the saint that he should give him that wristwatch as a gift. He went there and asked Saint that he had brought a gift for him. Saint asked him what is the gift. He told him a wristwatch. Saint said to him, go and throw it in a desert. He obeyed it and he went in a desert and threw it. After 15 days, a shepherd was crossing from there. He saw that wristwatch. He took it and found out that it was a famous wristwatch of that merchant. So he took it back and came to the shop of the merchant and said, this watch belongs to you. Merchant was surprised. He went back to the saint and told him that he had thrown that watch in the desert, but it returned back to him. Saint said, when you earn with your hard work, with your honesty, no one can take your anything. Even desert can't. So work hard with honesty.